Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that affects all of us, whether we notice it or not: climate change. Every year, we experience stronger typhoons, hotter summers, and unexpected floods. These aren't just natural events anymore. They are warnings. Climate change is no longer a distant issue talked about on the news. It's happening right here in our communities. We're all felt it. We've seen classes suspended because extreme heat. We've seen families lose homes after heavy rains, and we've seen farmers struggle with unpredictable weather. But while climate change sounds like a huge, overwhelming problem, we must remember one thing: we are not powerless. Small actions matter. Choosing to conserve energy, reducing waste, planting trees, or even simply being more aware. One step to create ripples that can grow into a real change. If it's us act responsibly, our combined efforts can protect our environment and secure a safer future. Climate change is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity. An opportunity to be better stewards of the earth. The future is still in our hands, and we do today will determine what kind of world the next generation will inherit. Thank you.